I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode is about social media Filipina who have become obsessed with social media recognition and occasionally exhibit deviant behavior. In today's digital world, social media is no longer just a platform for connection, it's a stage for identity, validation, and even survival. While millions use it responsibly, some users, particularly single Filipinas, are increasingly vulnerable to online behaviors that cruise into deviance. In today's episode, I will explore why, but without judgment, but with a search for morality, understanding, and piety. Many single Filipinas carry the heavy burden of financial responsibility not just for themselves, but for their families. In a country where job opportunities may be scarce or low paying, the allure of quick money or online attention becomes more appealing. When economic pressure and a highly image-based online world combine, some may begin to exhibit attention-seeking or manipulative behaviors, sometimes even involving deceit, hypersexuality content, or scamming to meet their needs or survive. Social media thrives on likes, comments, and shares, digital validation. For many single Filipinas who may feel abandoned, betrayed, or unappreciated in real life, this becomes addicted. Low self-esteem, unresolved trauma, and abandonment issues can drive some to pursue likes as a substitute for love and approval. This can manifest in behavior like posting overly revealing photos, starting drama for attention, or faking lifestyles online. One darker thorn involves online relationships. Some social media users start long distance romances with foreign men, not always out of love, but as a financial opportunity. While not all are scams, there are documented cases of women pretending to be romantically involved just to gain financial support. When the relationship ends, accusations of abuse or emotional manipulation sometimes follow. In an online world, clout or popularity is currency. Some Filipinas, desperate for viral content, push boundaries to gain followers. I have seen everything from faking pregnancies, public breakups, TikTok stans, to live streaming fights. These are all symptoms of deeper societal issue, a cry for recognition and relevance in a world that often ignores them. Sometimes, these behaviors turn legal false accusations, defamation, online extortion, or threats of suicide if a partner leaves. Emotional manipulation via social media becomes a weapon. There are many cases where women weaponize screenshot, edited photos, or vacuum posts to shame, manipulate, or control others, sometimes leading to arrest or cyber-level suit. This type of Filipina, while trying to humiliate or chastise others, often embarrass themselves or reveal and expose their true character, personality, demeanor, and moral instability. However, beneath it all is something very human, the need to belong. When your real world relationships are broken, the online world can become your entire identity. Deviant behavior then becomes a language of survival, a desperate attempt to be seen and heard. This isn't about blame, it's about understanding the hidden pain behind the filters, the pressures behind the post. While not all single Filipina behave this way, those who do should not be judged but support to find morality. Thank you for donating, subscribing, and watching my channel. We are family. See you next episode.